Isa naman, tumagal sa kumpanya, puro petics lang ang ginagawa. Yung ganun po ba nga siya? Hindi. Ang tagal sumagot ni Sir, siguro ganun siya. Oo.
Reality na lang kaya.
Reality. Kayo po ba may asawa na, single, taken? May asawa po. Gamitin mo yung microphone, sir. Baka iba magsalita sa kung saan mo tinututok yung microphone mo eh. Baka iba magsalita.
Wala.
Wala pong asawa. Ilang taon na po ba kayo, sir? Matanong ko lang, ilang taon na kayo?
54.
54, pero mukha pa siyang malakas. Siya si sir na mukha 54, na mukha pa siyang malakas. Na kapag nasalubong mo to sa kato, sasaksakin ka. Charot lang po yun. Anong kanta, Ed? Anong kanta po? Reality. Sino pong kumanta? Akala ko si HMD. Reality. Wala daw po din siyang salamin. Ayan po, ito po ba? Ano pa ka nabilit, sir? Palakpakan naman natin si Edgar.
Hello.
Oo. Binamalo po namin si Edgar! Huwag mong itutok sa itlog mo yung microphone, sir. Natulog na. Reality. Oo nga, ubod pa talaga. Ang ganda, palakpakan. Ay, wala ka pala.
With you by surprise,
Oy!
I didn't realize
Wow!
that my life would change.
Iba rin talaga pag nakatira to eh. Charot lang.
So you stand
Maganda boses pag may tinira. Tinira yung kapitbahay.
There was something special in here.
Ang lamig.
Dreams are my reality, the only kind of real fantasy.
Palakpakan niyo naman, si Edgar.
I tried to live and dream. It seems like it's meant to be. Dreams are my reality, a different kind of reality. I dream of loving in the night. Nothing seems alright, although it's only fantasy.
Palakpakan niyo naman. Dito pa hawakan. Mahilig ka humawak ng ulo. Katawan lang po yung hawakan, sir. Para hindi po tumunog.
If you do exist, I don't exist. Show me any way of loving. Tell me that it's true. Show me what to do. I feel something special about you. Dreams are my reality, the only kind of reality. Maybe my foolishness is past. Maybe now and last I see how the real thing can be.
Wala na yung mic mo.
Like to be. I dream of holding you all night. Holding you seems right. Perhaps that's my reality. I didn't realize that my life would change forever. Tell me that it's true. Feelings that I knew I feel something special about you. Dreams are my reality. I want cruise once where I like to be. Illusions all I come on take. I try to live in dreams, although it's only fantasy. But dreams are my reality. I let the dreams of you close to me. I dream of loving in the night. Nothing seems right. Perhaps that's my reality. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, so, on-off po.
Ang galing ni sir.
Ang galing mo naman, sir. Di mo naman sinabi na may talent ka pala. Lobat na.
Ang galing ni sir. Ang galing ni sir magpaalis.
Galing ni sir magpaalis.
Pwede pala siya magtayo ng agency.
Insi.
Nagpaalis sa mga tao. Hindi mo na-gets.
Agents, wala nang partner.
Kuya, wala na po ulit battery. It's time to go home. Sana yun. Wala nang battery ulit. Ako, halika na, boss. Halika na. Yung kakanta, halika na po.
Ako magpapalit ng battery. Ako magpapalit ng battery. Next, challenge eh.
Let's go.
Next.
Ay, may kakanta pangalawa. Wow. Sir, pangalan niyo po. Roland, tagasan ko kay sa Roland. Mandaloyo.
Loob o labas?
Loob o labas. Ilang taon ka na, sir? 24. Single o peke?
Single.
Single, palakpakan natin si Roland. Single po siya. Diba? Ilang taon ka na? 24. Sa edad mo ng 24, ikaw ba inalawa na ng bakla o hindi pa? Hindi pa. Virgin pa na siya. Oo. Pero may mga nagkakagusto sa'yo, yung mga katulad natin.
Hindi ko alam.
Tinanong ko siya, may